engine failures. Quite a common cause can be down to the kill wire itself. And a quick and simple way to test to see if it is the kill wire that's actually shorting on the block is to just disconnect the kill wire at the coil, because disconnecting it from the coil will eliminate any possible shortage in the wire that are touching the block along the whole length of the kill wire. So if we remove the kill wire from the coil and then the engine starts, then you can pretty much guarantee that the kill wire was shorting into the engine block. The trouble disconnecting the kill wire is that we can't just stop the engine that easily because of the fact that we've just removed the stop wire. So there's now the case of trying to pull off the spark plug cap to stop the engine. If we pull off the spark plug cap, then there's a likelihood that we'll get an electric shock. And so it's vital to use a pair of insulative pliers whilst wearing a pair of insulative gloves, and perform this operation as fewer times as possible to prevent any damage to the coil.